Good morning. Welcome to another hot day of Thailand. Today, we're taking a look at these Syngoniums that I don't know whether you will get it confused or not, but I have found that people are sometimes confused, at least over here in Thailand, and it happened to me also. Uh, which is this one is the pink illusion, and this one on the right, that's the Syngonium Maria. Um, Now, the confusion start with uh, this leaf. As you can see, it's pink, just like the pink illusion, but this one is not the pink illusion. It is the Maria, the Syngonium Maria. When it pushes out new leaves, the new leaf is they're pink. Not only the first new leaf, there will be a couple of them, a few, two to three leaves that will be pink, and then it'll turn green later. As you can see, the rest are green. But the pink illusion, all the leaves are pink throughout their lives. But when the pink illusion, when the leaf get really old, it gets it pales, but it won't turn green. It get paler, but it won't turn green. Unlike the Maria, it'll, as you can see, this one is more like a grayish brown, and then it'll turn green. Now, another uh, okay, as you can see here, see, it's turning brown, then start gaining more green, and in some stage of that process, it gonna look like this, which might be confusing. You might thought it's, oh, this is the pink flag, but it's not. It's the Maria. It's just changing in it's gonna change to the green leaf. Like, see, from that it's starting to gain its greenish on the leaf, and then there's more and more green, and then gaining more and more green, and then be completely green, just like these guys. So if you see a Syngonium that has um, the a few new leaves that are pink and the rest are green or brownish gray like this, that is the Syngonium Maria, not the pink illusion. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.